How to add charts and graphs to Wix. So in order to add charts or graphs, what you can do is you can click onto this plus icon that we have right there. And then from in here, what you can do is it will open your elements page. For this case, just click onto the search and then search in here for chart. You can see in here the size chart as well as donor chart, and you can also try to search for graph. So it actually depends on which kind you want. We have in here charts and graphs from the app market. You can click on it right here. And then from in there, this will actually direct you to the app market of Wix. From in there, click onto this add to site option. And then just enable or click onto this agree and add agree to their terms and conditions from there. So in here, it will add this particular app to your site. So just wait for this to be added all together. So as you can see, they have already been added and it's under the app widgets option. We have bar chart, pie chart, line chart, and the legs for this. So just input right here what kind of chart you wish to add or graph that you wish to add from there. And then just drag it into any blank part of the page and attach it from in here. As for the data, you can just input them once the chart has been added. Just change the design and connect the actual data. So that's how you add charts and graphs to Wix. Hope we helped.